Before you spend a single dollar on a car, watch this. Some car brands look good, sell well, and even have flashy commercials, but behind the scenes, they're ticking time bombs of poor engineering, expensive repairs, and serious regrets. Today, I'll show you the 11 worst car brands you should absolutely avoid, unless you enjoy wasting money, calling tow trucks, and praying your warranty covers the disaster. Let's get into it. Number 11, Mitsubishi. Once a respected Japanese brand, now barely surviving in the US. Cheap interiors, outdated designs, weak resale value, and their most popular car, the Mirage? It's the lowest rated car on Consumer Reports. Forget reliability, this brand is stuck in the early 2000s. Number 10, Fiat. Fiat tried to make a comeback in the US, and failed hard. With tiny cramped interiors, poor reliability, and awkward styling, these cars often rank at the bottom of satisfaction surveys. Fiat 500L? One of the worst rated vehicles in years. Stay far away. Number 9, Jaguar. Luxury badge, nightmare repairs. Jaguar seduces buyers with British flair, but behind the fancy leather is a money pit. Unreliable electronics, engine problems, and sky-high service costs make owning one painful. You're not rich, you're trapped. Number 8, Land Rover. The king of unreliability. Land Rover looks rugged and premium until it breaks down on the highway. Air suspension failures, engine issues, and an abysmal reliability record make this brand a mechanic's dream and an owner's nightmare. Number 7, Chrysler. Chrysler's lineup is down to just a few models, and they're hanging on by a thread. Transmission issues, electrical faults, and outdated platforms plague models like the 300 and Pacifica. This brand hasn't had innovation in over a decade. Number 6, Mini. They're fun, quirky, and sporty, but they're also a headache. Mini Coopers are infamous for turbo failures, leaking seals, and electronics going haywire. Repairs aren't cheap either, especially once the BMW DNA kicks in. Number 5, Jeep. Jeep fans might hate this, but facts are facts. From the Renegade to the Compass, these smaller Jeeps suffer from terrible transmission problems, poor reliability, and low resale. The Wrangler may look cool, but it's ranked near the bottom for owner satisfaction. Number 4, Nissan. They used to build solid cars, now they build CVT grenades. Nissan's infamous transmission issues have haunted models like the Altima and Sentra for over a decade. Lawsuits, recalls, and early failures, it's not worth the risk. Number 3, Chevrolet, low-end models. Not every Chevy is bad, but models like the Trax, Malibu, and Spark have been some of the most disappointing in recent years. Cheap interiors, poor build quality, and high depreciation make them a bad deal for budget buyers. Number 2, Dodge. Muscle cars aside, Dodge suffers from dated designs, poor safety scores, and reliability red flags. Cars like the Journey and Dart were disasters, and even the Charger and Challenger come with long-term ownership risks. Number 1, Tesla. Tesla. The name alone sparks debate. Some say it's the future of driving. Others say it's a rolling science experiment. But here's the truth. For all the innovation, Tesla has some of the most frustrating ownership experiences on the road today. Let's start with build quality. Brand new Teslas are often delivered with misaligned panels, loose trim, bubbling paint, and uneven gaps, things you'd expect from a budget brand, not a $50,000 plus vehicle. Owners have documented door handles not working, windows misbehaving, and trunks that won't close properly, straight from the factory. Next, software bugs. Sure, over-the-air updates are cool when they work. But Teslas have been known to randomly reboot, disable features, or even lock out drivers due to a failed update. Imagine relying on a touchscreen for basic controls, and then it freezes. No knobs. No buttons. Just stress. And then there's suspension problems. Especially in colder regions, Teslas have suffered from premature suspension wear, control arm failures, and cracking ball joints. On a car that's supposed to be maintenance-free, that's a massive red flag. Now let's talk customer service, or lack of it. Tesla's service model is digital first, which sounds great, until you need real help. No traditional dealerships. No service advisors you can talk to. Wait times for repairs are notoriously long, parts availability is hit or miss, and good luck getting a simple phone call returned. And if your car gets into an accident, even minor body damage can result in weeks or months of delay, because Tesla parts are proprietary and not every body shop is certified to work on them. Insurance premiums? Sky high. Yes, Teslas are fast, sleek, and tech-packed, but they're also unforgiving, expensive to fix, and prone to problems that shouldn't exist in cars of this price range. Ask yourself, would you rather have a flashy car that makes headlines? Or a reliable one that doesn't make you regret every ding, glitch, and service delay? If you're thinking long-term ownership, Tesla might not be the smart choice, at least not yet. So there you have it, 11 car brands that are either overrated, outdated, or just straight up unreliable. Want to make smarter choices with your money? Subscribe. Hit the like button. Comment if you've been burned by one of these brands. And remember, good marketing doesn't make a good car. Stay tuned, stay smart, and stay away from junk on four wheels.